need to be a painter to do this. You only need just a tissue.
Today we are going to learn how to do a watercolor background painting. So without a brush. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell to get updated. Now let's start and do our watercolor painting. So first let me tell you the materials required. You will be needing a watercolor paper. So today I am using a watercolor book. I have stick tape on the borders to do the watercolor inside from this tape. We will be needing watercolor. Today I am using Camel Artist watercolor cakes. We will be needing water and we will be needing tissue paper. So today I am gonna use a dropper, which is an optional material. So if you want to put water in your watercolor cakes and don't want your watercolor to be wasted, you can use a dropper. Now I'm going to take my tissue paper and dip it in the watercolor. I have put the water. A new tissue paper when our tissue paper is fully wet. Watercolor tissue background is ready. Paint has dried, so now I'm going to remove my tape. Be careful when removing your tape. I have removed my tape and here is the result. This is a watercolor background. It's an awesome background. You can do calligraphy, you can draw a mandala or anything. It will be always unique because no painting will look alike. You can keep it in a frame like this also without doing anything. It will look just awesome.